favorite part of the show is when we're singing in Maybe and then I get to head into EFS. My favorite part is also Maybe because I get to be with my friends and it's just amazing. I like the actors and my favorite actor is Molly because she's really little and cute. I like when they talk in Spanish. I like the scene Little Girls.
I like Miss Hannigan, she's really sassy and funny.
The hardest thing about Lily is that she has a strong personality and I have like a soft one.
I'm nicer than Miss Hannigan. I'm not that tough. If I had an orphanage, I would be nicer to the kids. I think Miss Hannigan is mean because of something that happened in her life, and she just repressed all that emotion into the orphanage.
I mean, it's great, so I can actually inform people around, I don't know, around New York of what's going on in the news lately.
Amazing. I like that I pretend that I'm rich and have like a lot of money.
I like the fact that there's more microphones so that I don't have to keep changing them like every 5 minutes.
I like the props that Miss Albert made.
And I also like the screen in the back that Ms. Hernandez got for us. It's like a huge production, it's great, and everyone's working so hard. We got the costumes, the props, everything, and I just think it's wonderful. Mr. Hernandez, Miss Albert, they worked like really hard, and Mr. Lopez to get this done.
I like when I'm cute and I have big ears.
My favorite part of the show is when Annie says I'm the luckiest kid in the world because it shows Annie's happiness.
I think the best part about being a star is that you can express yourself while singing, and you can show other people how you feel by singing.
Well, Annie fooled me by Miss Hannigan screamed, and I looked behind me. So I told the kids, well soon, and Merry Christmas. And Annie apparently just got in the car, and I just left.
NYC because it's very energetic and funny when the train and them two again getting confused.
My favorite part is NYC because there's a lot of people in it.
My favorite part of the show is the Tomorrow reprise at the end when like everyone comes together.